Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to our southbound drive along Interstate 79 in West Virginia. Interstate 79, often referred to as I-79, is a major north-south highway that stretches approximately 160 miles within West Virginia, connecting Morgantown in the north to Charleston in the south. The construction of I-79 began in the 1960s, with the first segment opening near Fairmont in 1967. The entire length within the state was completed by 1979, significantly enhancing transportation and economic development in the region. As we journey through the heart of West Virginia, we'll traverse the Allegheny Plateau, characterized by its rolling hills and lush forests. This region is part of the Appalachian Mountains, offering travelers picturesque landscapes and a glimpse into the state's rich natural heritage. The terrain here is shaped by ancient geological processes, resulting in the beautiful, rugged scenery that defines much of the state. Along the way, we'll pass through several counties, each with its own unique history and charm. For instance, Braxton County, located near the geographic center of West Virginia, is known for the Sutton Lake and the Elk River, both popular spots for outdoor recreation. Further south, we'll approach the vicinity of Charleston, the state capital, which lies just beyond the southern terminus of I-79. Charleston is rich in history and culture, offering a vibrant downtown area and numerous historical landmarks. Interstate 79 serves as a vital corridor, not only facilitating travel within West Virginia, but also connecting the state to Pennsylvania and beyond. It's an essential route for commerce, tourism, and daily commuting, reflecting its importance in the region's infrastructure. The highway's development has played a significant role in opening up the state's more remote areas, providing access to the natural beauty and resources that West Virginia has to offer. As we continue our drive, take a moment to appreciate the harmonious blend of natural beauty and historical significance that surrounds us. This journey along I-79 offers a unique perspective on West Virginia's past and present, showcasing the state's enduring charm and character. Thank you for joining us on this journey on I-79 in West Virginia.
watching.